Like Grace Hopper, an American pioneer of coding, you too can be a computer scientist in this simple, unplugged activity. Hi, my name is Emma Gardner, and I am the STEM specialist here at WVU Jackson's Mill. The game we are going to be learning today is called Coder Says, and it is a twist on the classic playground game Simon Says. All you need are a few friends and some space to move around. For this game, one person will act as a coder, and they will be giving the instructions to the players or computers. The coder acts as a computer scientist. A computer scientist is a person who uses technology to solve problems. Computer scientists write programs with code. Code is a special language that computers understand. The coder will code a group of computers to do simple activities using the line, "Coder says." The computers will then take whatever action the coder tells them to do, and they will do it. Just like in Simon Says, each action needs to be preceded with Coder Says.
Coder says, stick your right leg out. Coder says, raise your left hand.
The coder may try to trick the computers with syntax errors by not saying Coder Says before the action.
Coder says, stick your tongue out. Tap your head. Uh-oh, syntax error, coder didn't say tap your head.
Syntax is the rules that define a coding language. In real-life computer programming, syntax errors occur when you have a typo or a mistake in the code. Sometimes this can be as simple as a period missing or a parentheses in the wrong location. Computers cannot read syntax errors, so these create bugs in the code. After your computers get the hang of syntax, it's time to introduce conditional statements. A conditional statement tells a computer whether or not to take an action based on whether or not a condition is false or true. These are sometimes called if-then statements or if-then-else statements. The condition the computer is checking is the eye and hair color.
If you have brown hair, then stand on one leg. Else, tap your head. If you have blue eyes, put your right hand out. Else, stick out your tongue.
These are known as variables. A variable is something that is used in computer science to store and categorize data. The coder can even define a variable or put the computers into groups.
Coder says define variable. This side red, this side blue. Coder says if red, hop on one foot. If blue, step 2 places forward.
For added fun, players can create variables for themselves by crafting colorful crowns or buttons ahead of time, or by just adding stickers to themselves. Switch roles often and make sure everyone has a chance to be the coder and a computer. Everyone can be a computer scientist by saying Coder Says. Thank you.